how to send money from PayPal to Binance. So let's get started. Firstly, to purchase cryptocurrency using PayPal, it is essential to utilize a regulated exchange that supports PayPal deposits. Based on extensive evaluation, Bybit is a top recommendation. With over 10 million investors, Bybit allows direct PayPal deposits to buy USDT, which can be traded for any of the 1,000 plus current cryptocurrencies available on their platform. So firstly, create a free account on Bybit, then go to the Buy Crypto and select P2P Trading and choose your preferred fiat currency. OPT for PayPal under the Payment Methods section, then select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and complete the purchase using PayPal securely. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.